Let's remember that our author's purpose is social media and search engines keep data about their consumers. Let's practice. Let's take a look at the beginning of the second section of text. Note that the subheading is titled Search Engines, so I'm expecting that the author will attempt to prove that search engines collect our data. Read the first two paragraphs to yourself. The first paragraph repeats the claim by telling us which search engines collect data. One nonfiction signpost is used for the second paragraph of the text. You are correct if you said quoted words. So now, how does this quote from an expert support or help prove the claim that search engines keep our data? I'll give you some think time. You should have came to the conclusion that this quote shows that search engines use our searches to determine things about us like our age, our gender. That's crazy. So we found details. Great. Now let's choose a supporting detail in a multiple choice question about a claim. Let's try this. Which sentence from the text supports the idea that social media and search engines are less likely to have consequences for sharing data in the United States than in other countries? Read this section to yourself. We know this is the right place to find the answer because the subheading says, "Are there limits?" which implies that this section is about what limits there are for social media and search engines for sharing our data. And if you're like me, I hope there are some. Let's reread the question and remember our steps. What is the claim we're trying to support? What sentence gives an example, evidence, and proof that the claim is true? I'll give you some think time. Time's up, guys. You should have chosen A. The claim in the question is that social media and search engines are not likely to face consequences for keeping our data. Which details prove this? A is correct because it proves that social media and search engines are not held accountable by laws in the US. The extreme language of no laws may have stood out to you. The other choices give examples of what other countries are doing to regulate social media and search engines sharing of data, but the claim is about the United States. I think now you're ready to practice on your own. Now remember, use your strategy to determine the central idea or claim of the text, the entire text. Find the details that prove the claim is accurate. Then just be on the lookout for examples, reasons, and nonfiction signposts. You'll do great. Bye.